On Sunday, during his address to St. Lucian's, Dr. Anthony said the Jamaican investigators confirmed that the police force operated from a blacklist or death list of persons they believed to be criminals. The investigation also revealed that officers staged fake shooting encounters to legitimize their claims.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. I have a new WhatsApp group. And y'all can click on the link in the description. And join the group. And I got videos, stuff I can put up on YouTube in the WhatsApp group. And I'm in the WhatsApp group every day. So link up. Now, I want to talk about St. Lucia. Because enough man thinks that them little Caribbean island here, them easy going and nothing now go on. Well, when you hear the first clip when I play. Now, what's kind of startling to me is that Jamaica police went over there and investigate the St. Lucia police. And the stuff where them come up with Jamaica police, it's very damning. And listen to this.
Meanwhile, the report also said officers planted weapons at murder scenes. Dr. Anthony told citizens that the weapons supposedly found on the scene of the alleged extrajudicial killings were from sources other than the victims. He said the investigators also advised that a number of shootings were done by police officers and are listed on the murder statistic as being done by unknown assailants.
Did you hear what the news report said? The news report said the St. Lucian police them get gun and plant it from the citizen them, and them also kill enough of the citizen them and use different gun and report say it's an assailant kill them. I want to listen to what I say now. Listen to this carefully. The police them set up the man them with gun that's from overseas and different places. The police them kill the citizens of St. Lucia and say that it's gang member who's killing the citizens, and the police was also non-compliant with the investigation. Me know Jamaican police corrupt, but them not bare face like the St. Lucian police. Now, this happened in 2009 to 2011, 2012. And the Prime Minister back then had like 31 recommendations from the Jamaican police force. And up to today, none of those recommendations have been implemented. So, from what I am seeing, the St. Lucian police force is one of the most rogue and deadliest police force in the Caribbean. You know what's funny? I went to St. Lucia when I was a young child couple times. As a matter of fact, I got family living in St. Lucia and St. Vincent. And I have always thought St. Lucia was a chill spot. If me get out of Jamaica, me can run go to St. Lucia cause my family there. Me have an aunt and me have cousins who live in St. Lucia and St. Vincent, my mother's sister. As we see, the violence in our St. Lucia take world stage called View Fort. But now wanna see why the violence is there because you have the police them I work with the criminals. The police them know all of the gang member. It's a really small place. You understand? And the police I work with criminals for execute and get rid of people. I guess over the years it kinda calmed down, but it was never dealt with, so the thing flare back up. You see what I'm saying? Very, very serious place. Cause the police them, remember now, no police no get charged, you know. For all that 31 recommendation and stuff that they should have done to fix the issue. It hasn't been done. And when you compare Jamaica, say to St. Lucia, we have more crime and more killing and stuff. But at the same time, we have more police get charged for crime in Jamaica than any one of those Caribbean country. If you go to St. Lucia, St. Vincent, all of the dirty police them, none of them no get charged. To be real with Uno, a one police, get charged. And it's the police who shoot the youth in him back. And I put that video up recently. And the only reason why him get charged, it's because he did that in front of a whole heap of people and people start leak out. And then the prosecutor and the prosecutor office went and charged him. But in St. Lucia, a police stand a chance to violate you and do things to you and get away with it. Now, with that said, me know one police get charged and one police with the man them licked down. And are the only police that me know get killed at St. Lucia. But how much people the police them kill and got implemented, sorry, not implemented, I'm gonna back this up, me I talk, see me. Them got implicated in as many as 15 to 20 murder, 12 to 20 murder. And Jamaican police came there and did the investigation and see that, there was mad discrepancy. The police them in St. Lucia, they were planting guns, they were killing people with guns that wasn't registered in the country and planting weapons and doing all sort of things. And the white boy who was the prime minister at the time said he was going to make changes. Him come out of office now and you have a new youth there, the black brother, and him look like a straight gangster. I think him name Scary. I can't remember him name, but it dep on the top of my head right now. But nothing has been done. Now them do a kind of state of emergency, and then I guess them in some sort of regional police force that's supposed to come in and help, but none of that is not gonna solve anything until the government of St. Lucia do a clean sweep for all of the police force. It's a small place. You understand? It's easy to clean that out. And another thing, you have police officer leave from other Caribbean islands and get jobs in St. Lucia. So St. Lucia police force have different Caribbean nationality and the police force, which I think is a good thing. Because our police should be able to leave from Trinidad and go to work in Jamaica. That way you can share information better and you have more intelligence, and you have more cohesiveness. But long story short, I'm going to wrap up that video. I just do this video to highlight and show the crisis and what's going on in the Caribbean. I talk about St. Lucia, I talk about Trinidad, I talk about Belize, now I talk about St. Lucia, and there's more. And the atrocity these police officers did, I can't understand why nobody is in prison, why nothing was solved, and everybody is saying Jamaica is the most violent country in the Caribbean. Now explain this what's happening at St. Lucia, and when you compare it, they're more violent than Jamaicans when you check it out. Because if you multiply the population, you see what I'm saying? And you do a rough estimate, a hypothesis, an educated guess, and statistics, you will see that St. Lucia is actually more violent. For real. And that's a fact. Now, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. But St. Lucia, shame on you. Now, I have another video where I want to do, and it's on a Jamaican guy who got killed in one of these small islands. And I have the video where all the man them kill him. I have the graphic video. I'm gonna put that up in the WhatsApp, but I'm gonna do a video on it. So I'm just showing you guys how violent the Caribbean is, and it's in a crisis. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And I want to thank all my subscribers. And listen, the youths them in the Caribbean, please put on the gun. And una me I do this for change una life.